Baby, if you want to transform like I did, just keep watching. To achieve this look, this is what you'll need: a bag of braid hair gel and edge control,
Cedric on the beat,
ponytail, bobby pins, a vent brush and a hard bristle brush, and an edge brush. Let's get straight to it. You need to brush that head, period. My hair is already blow dried, but brush out any tangles. Now I'm going to go in and apply my hair gel to the front. Need to put it on the front, back, side. You get my point. Just apply it everywhere on your head. Now we're going to take the hard brush and start brushing it into a ponytail. You see that muscle? There you go. Just put it into a ponytail. As you can see, I have very short hair because I cut my hair a lot. So we're going to use bobby pins to pin up the short sides. Time for the cotton candy bun. Be sure to keep the rubber band. And we're going to tie this around this sad little bun and divide it into two. Now we're going to tease the mess out of this hair with the vent brush. Yeah, it's going to be all in your face, but it's whatever. Now we're going to wrap the teased hair around the ponytail and just simply start forming the bun. Just like that. Now it's time to pin. I'm going to start putting these everywhere just to secure the cotton candy bun, okay? This has to be the most important part because what's more embarrassing than having your natural looking bun fall off in public? Come on now. Now we're going to cut off all the flyaways because they just aren't cute. Now we're going to do our edges, baby hairs, whatever you want to call it. And this is by far my favorite part. And we're just going to start applying the edge control. Now I'm taking my edge brush that also comes with a comb on the end to style my edges. You don't have to do your edges, but I like mine to be swoop, floop, swirled, whatever. It just adds to my extraness, you know? As I continue to do my edges, I'm going to go back and forth between the brush and the comb. The comb is what's really getting those little swoops together, you know what I'm saying? Now you need a wrap scarf so we can lay down those short hairs. We don't want them to pop out on us in the middle of the day, because that's just tacky. While you wait, just drink some water, but don't miss your mouth like I did. Just wait a little for your hair to dry and lay down, and you'll have this, a cute cotton candy bun. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications.